Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Thank you for being here on Finalizing Guyana, home of all the traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a chicken recipe, a wing recipe, as a matter of fact, and it's going to be for spicy wings. So the ingredients for our recipe today, guys, are laid out before us. We're going to be using about 2 pounds of chicken wings today. We're going to be using some scallions, celery, pepper flakes, onion, seasoning salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, soy sauce, sesame oil, and of course salt to taste. And this is a very yummy chicken wing recipe, guys. So let's get started. Of course, all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below the video. So let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna cut up our scallions. So we're going to chop them in our little chopper. And now our celery, we're going to chop in there as well. So this recipe is how spicy you want it to be, guys. Adjust the pepper to your tolerance, and you can even make this without a pepper as well. You know it's still gonna be tasty, right? Everything on Finalizing Guyana is really tasty. Alright, my friends, so we're gonna start adding our seasoning to seasoning our wings. First of all, we're going to add some salt. That's some black pepper. That's some garlic powder. Seasoning salt. And now we're going to add some smoked paprika. And that's our soy sauce. So just about 1 teaspoon. And that's of course the green seasoning we chopped. Alright guys, so once we have all of this ingredients in there, now our seasonings in there, we're gonna mix this, give this a good mix. Make sure all your wings are coated. So we decided to make this spicy because a lot of people like spicy these days. But of course, if you don't like spicy, you can make it without a pepper totally. And it's gonna be delicious. You saw the ingredients, right? So if you have the time, guys, you can marinate this and leave it in the fridge overnight. Or you can leave it for 20 minutes, half an hour, how much time you have. You know, work accordingly with what you have. But of course, it will be better if you can leave it overnight. Okay, my friends, so we got our oil heating up to fry our wings. As soon as this is heated, we'll get rolling. So of course we'll be using some flour, guys. We added some black pepper and some seasoning salt in here. Mix that up good. We're gonna also be using an egg to fry. Alright, my friends, so our oil is hot. And what we're gonna do is dip in the egg wash first. And then our flour. Like so. So we have our stove on medium. So these should only take about 8 minutes total to fry, guys, because they're just wings. They're not chicken legs or drumsticks. Alright, my friends, so this first set is done. And look at that. Looking yummy, right? So there you go, look at those. So our second batch is going in. So you can have this with a lot of things, guys. Fried rice, chow mein, cook up, roti. Yeah, you can have this with roti as well, if you so choose. Roti go with anything, right? So our second set is done already, my friends. And our green pepper as well. Put some color to your chicken. So this red and green peppers are just for show, guys. It's not really hot peppers, it's sweet peppers. But we're gonna get the kick, of course, from the chili flakes. And this is a little piece of hot pepper we're using. So as I said, you make it as spicy as you want, as colorful as you want. So we're heating up some oil in our pan again, guys, which is heated already. And we're gonna add some onions. So our onions browned a bit, guys, so we're gonna add our peppers now. Oh, that's smelling high. So we add our chicken now. You want to mix it up, make sure your chicken is coated. Yeah, that's your chili flakes now. And now we're going to add some sesame oil. And that's about it. So we're going to turn our stove off. And you're just going to mix that up now. And the heat of that is going to infuse the flavors into your chicken. And this is going to be one yummy spicy chicken. So look at that. And the sesame oil is going to give it that hint of extra flavor. Can you imagine how it is with a plate of cook up? Or a plate of chow mein? Whoa. That's smelling so good. Alright my friends, so that's it. Another recipe from Finalizing Guyana here. That's our spicy wings. If you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click on the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.